Okay, this was my shot, and I ended up just taking that half-eaten donut out of there because it didn't look right. And remember, this is the shot that we're sort of emulating. Hey, decoy, don't eat that. And we've got our center item kind of framed with the magazine and our items around it. That's very similar to what we have here. So we're using that as a base. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a little bit more of a moodier edit. So I'm actually going to decrease decoy. He's still trying to eat the donut. So I'm going to decrease the exposure a little bit, increase the contrast. For this one, I'm going to increase the highlights just to give it a little more actual contrast. Hey, stop that. Stop eating that donut. Let's see. Shadows. Do I want to darken the shadows? Yeah, we'll darken the shadows. And then let's see, what do we want to do with the whites? I'm not going to do much with the whites, actually. Sometimes if you just slide these bars like back and forth, it'll like give you an idea of what you want to do. So I think I want to do that. And what you can do, this is a cool trick. So with the shadows, I'm going to go up to here, my curve. So if you go to the curve and make sure you're on this, the one on the bottom left that has the red, blue, and green all together, because you don't want to be like, you don't want to be on this one, you don't want to be on this, you want to be on all of them. Drag this up and then over, and you're gonna get more of like a you're gonna get more of a, like, I don't know what that called, like a matte look to it. That's what the word was, a matte look. So you can drag that over just a bit, and then what I'll do is I'm actually gonna go to selective, and I'm gonna do my gradient trick, decoy, and I'm gonna actually decrease just a tad right there, because I still want it to look like we're near a window, right? So I'm gonna leave, hey, stop that. Leave that there. And last I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crop. And I think I'll go ahead and crop square just for Instagram, let's say. Oh, that does take out some of our warped lines, except for the one in the middle. So do that. And that is that, my friends. So we're looking very similar to this image in terms of composition. You just copy it over and boom. So I'm going to save this to camera roll, max available, and that's it.